Welcome to Hari Consolidated Pvt Ltd. Hari Consolidated Pvt Ltd is engaged in the production of cable jointing kits and compound under the brand name Cabseal. With a wide experience of the industry, we offer a qualitative range of Cabseal jointing kits. We have a well-equipped plant and machinery, and in-house test lab, which is required in the production of cable accessories and quality control. Owing to our quality management system, we have been able to obtain DNV certification. We are dealing with the clients like BHEL, PGCIL, NHPC, ABB, Siemens, Crompton, Arriva, Alstom, SPIC, IOTL, and etc. to offer utmost satisfaction to our clients. Our range is quality tested from worldwide renowned test house Central Power Research Institute, Bangalore, India. Our journey in 1994-95 with a vision to offer quality and reliable cable terminations and joint to various utilities. More than 10 lakh Cabseal cable jointing kits have been in service in India and abroad.